Tenet has been at Birchwood Park since 2005, so nearly 20 years. We started off in a ground floor office in this building with 8 people, I believe. For most of our lives, we're predominantly EC&I, so electrical control and instrumentation engineering design. We've recently broadened out into mechanical engineering as well, so we support our clients right from feasibility studies, so front-end engineering, right to the very end of projects to commissioning and setting to work. Birchwood Park has been set up now for, 70 years as part of nuclear engineering design. So once you've got that sort of momentum, it's very, very difficult to change it, I suppose. You've got generations now of people, engineers whose sons and daughters have come into the industry, and their sons and daughters are probably now in the industry. So what tends to happen is there's the gravity of the industry just focuses on this point now. So from UK AEA setting up in the 1950s, then you get the supply chain setting up, the colleges and universities get geared up towards the people that are coming into the park and going into engineering. And once you've got that established in a location, it's unless you get something catastrophic happening like to say Sheffield and the steelworks, then there's no reason to change it to anywhere else after that. You've got the infrastructure and the people and the families and here that have been doing that for generations. So yeah, it's the focal point for engineering design in the country still, I think. But we've got 10 apprentices at the moment between mechanical and EC&I. So for an SME, that's quite a high proportion percentage-wise. We offer a degree apprenticeship scheme through Wigan Lee College. That's a 5-year course. So they come out of that with 5 years of on-the-job training plus a degree in the chosen discipline. We work with pretty much all the major clients and businesses on the park. So obviously Sellafield, the biggest presence on the park. We're involved in all their major frameworks with their tier 1 and tier 2 clients, so people like Jacobs, Cavendish, Atkins, Acon. Birchwood Park is at the forefront of new nuclear, predominantly because the people and the expertise and the businesses are already here. So there would be no reason to go and try and recreate what we've already got at Birchwood Park somewhere else. Tenet have got plans to keep expanding our presence here on the park. Since 2015 we've doubled in size, but obviously with hybrid remote working we've still got capacity for growth and can only see us getting bigger and bigger in the next few years. I think the current nuclear sector is going to grow at the park, mostly a result of the changing strategy by the government. So we're seeing more investment now in nuclear where it kind of lost favour maybe a couple of decades ago. We're seeing things happening in Ukraine that mean the fuel cycle's gotten a little bit different. So that part of the industry is ramping back up again. And like I've said before, you wouldn't necessarily want to recreate the wheel. You've got all the people here anyway. So when these new projects kick off, we're perfectly placed to deliver them. We're right in between like Sellafield in the north and Trawsfynydd and Anglesey to the west, and Springfield just up the road and Urenco, so we're quite close to all the parts of the fuel cycle to be perfectly placed to help with these new projects. Birchwood Park helps our recruitment drive in that it's where all the engineering expertise already is, it's where all the companies are already located. That's a bit of a double-edged sword because obviously all our clients and competitors are all pulling from the same pool and they've got all the same attractions on the park that we've got. It's a nice place to work. It's got brilliant transport links, it's got good cycle infrastructure, there's a good gym, there's a nice pond. So these are all things that you can offer people when you're trying to bring them into the industry.